So here is a really fabulous pair of bright orange vintage slacks by T. Jones. That's its label. It has a 31 inseam. The waist is 16 across. So it hangs on my hips, and I like it like that. That looks really cute. And then it measures 21 across the bust, and 21 across the hips, and the flare measures 13 across. So here are these gorgeous flares pictured with one of my favorite vintage shirts. Ta-da! And they're made of wool, and they're very couture looking.
You'll get free counseling, information, and tips to help you succeed. Not it to just be a kid. For me. Brought to you by Tobacco-Free Florida.
Oops, I think I put them on backwards. I guess they probably zip up the front, huh? Okay. Sorry. I'm going backwards. But anyway, check out this beautiful vintage top. These beautiful ladies and fabulous colors. I guess it's supposed to be like Toulouse-Lautrec type of art. I love it. It's gorgeous.